How to find the latest filters on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the latest filters on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Instagram app, make sure that you visit your App Store or your Play Store to see that your Instagram is up to date. If not, just click on update so that you will have the latest features and that we will be facing the same user interface, and so you will be guided all throughout. After you have made sure of that, let's just click on Instagram right here. And you should either be on your profile page or on your home page. So to be at your profile page, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Or if you want to be in the home page, just click on this home icon at the bottom left corner. After that, just click on this plus icon right here at the top right hand corner and click on story. Now, if you want to use a filter on your story, just click on camera right here. And if you want to find the latest filters that you can use on your Instagram story, just wipe through these filters that are here. And you need to be at the very end of this list. So once you're at the end, you should see these browse effects option. Just click on that. And immediately, this is actually where you can find the latest filters on Instagram that are especially trending right now. So just scroll through these and you can just click on a particular filter you want. For example, right here, and just click on try it right here at the bottom left corner of the screen if you have chosen a filter you want to use on your Instagram story. You can also browse through the tabs right here if you want to choose a specific effect. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.